there will be plugins that exist that are only for Neovim, and there will be plugins that exist only for Vim, and that's fine. My goal, and like the Neovim team goal, I think that I was trying to say before, is basically just like, we're not actively trying to make the community not work
Right.
for both, right? Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate that perspective, because so many times when there are projects and efforts like these, so often it's like a hostile takeover kind of a thing, or it's a long con. Like, well, we're going to slowly take over. And I think that, I mean, at the end of the day, it's Vim, it's a different Vim. It's a newer Vim. It's got things Vim doesn't have, and it takes things out, but still the same editor that we all know and love has been around for all these years. Like, why would you want to crush that? Why would you want to kill it?
Yeah. And I mean, like, I respect Bram a lot. Like, he's made an incredible piece of software, and it's like pretty bonkers if you just think about like where it started to where it is now and all the things that he's done for it. And like, plus Neovim is literally a fork. And so it's like, we share a bunch of code that we never wrote. Like, I don't know, it feels kind of not very grateful and like not very thankful to just be like, and now we're our own thing, and I don't like, it's like an angry teenager, like, I don't even like you, Dad,
Right.
like, it's not exactly like the pinnacle of maturity, I think, necessarily all the time to like have that kind of situation. And so it frustrates me when I see it online between people as well. It's just like, if they want to use Vim, that's cool. Why would you be mad about that? You know what I mean?
Right.
That just seems cool to have them do that. That's great.
Yeah. If we're going to hate on something, hate on the Emacs people. Come on. What's wrong with you?
Well, I mean, Emacs is now closer to Vim and Neovim in spirit than many other places, right? So not to name any other names, obviously, but
Yeah, they need to join forces to take on the onslaught of the graphical editors.
Oh, yes, the evil graphical editors from faraway land.